Add a customer sales order. You can add a customer sales order from customers module. Go to customers module, select transactions, select customer sales orders. Click add sales order button. You can select the customer. After you select the customer, system will display customer details. Document number will automatically display. You can enter customer reference number. If you have issued any quotation for this customer, you can convert that quotation to the sales order. Select delivery date. Select item. Enter quantity. Enter price, tax rates. If you are giving any discount, you can enter the discount percentage or discount amount. If you want to add any specification for this item, you can click this icon and enter the specification. You can select more items if you want. You can add more lines by clicking this green color plus mark, and if you want to remove any line by clicking this red color button, you can remove the lines. You can enter any message print on the sales order. You can set default messages. You can save any message. And system will display the totals. You can view the total discount, total exclusive amount, total VAT, and net total. If you enter discount here, system will display the discount. If you enter the discount in line item, system will get the net total. After that, you can save the sales order. If you want to email the sales order, you can email or print sales order. If you click save and new, this sales order will save and new sales order will open. Furthermore, if you have any foreign currency customers, you can enter foreign currency sales orders. You can select the customer. After you select the customer, that customer's currency will display and exchange rate will display here. You can select the item. System will display foreign currency amount and home currency amount. You can view the totals in home currency and foreign currency.